Okay, folks, today we're tackling a burning question. Can Kraken be your wallet? Let's dive in and find out. Now, you might have heard of Kraken, right? They're a big name in the crypto world, known for their exchange platform. But can it really double as your wallet? Well, that's where things get interesting. Let's talk about Kraken, the exchange. First, let's understand what Kraken primarily is. It's a cryptocurrency exchange, like a marketplace where you buy and sell different digital currencies. Think of it as your stock exchange, but for crypto. When you use Kraken, you essentially deposit your crypto into their system, which they hold for you. So, can you use Kraken as a wallet? Technically, yes, you can store your crypto on Kraken. However, it's important to understand the distinction between a wallet and an exchange. A wallet is like your personal bank account for crypto. You have the private keys, which are like passwords, that give you full control over your funds. An exchange is more like a brokerage account. They hold your crypto on their servers, and while you can buy and sell, you don't have the same level of control as with a wallet. Why you might consider using Kraken as a wallet? There are a few reasons why someone might choose to use Kraken as their wallet, even though it's not its primary function. Simplicity. If you're new to crypto and just getting started, Kraken's exchange platform can be a user-friendly way to manage your coins. Security. Kraken is a well-established exchange with a reputation for security. Convenience. If you're already using Kraken for trading, it can be convenient to keep your crypto there. Why you might want to use a dedicated wallet? However, there are some significant drawbacks to using Kraken as your primary wallet. Security risks. While Kraken is secure, exchanges are still vulnerable to hacks and cyber attacks. By storing your crypto on their servers, you're essentially relying on their security measures. Lack of control. You don't have full control over your private keys when using an exchange. This means that if Kraken ever experiences a major issue, you could lose access to your funds. Limited features. Kraken's wallet functionality is relatively basic compared to dedicated crypto wallets. You might miss out on features like advanced security options and multi-currency support. So, should you use Kraken as your wallet? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Kraken as your wallet depends on your individual needs and risk tolerance. If you're just starting out and want a simple way to hold and trade crypto, Kraken might be a good option. However, if you're looking for more control and security, it's recommended to use a dedicated crypto wallet. Kraken is primarily an exchange, not a wallet. While you can store your crypto on their platform, it's important to understand the risks involved. If you're looking for a secure and feature-rich wallet, it's best to explore other options. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, stay safe and keep your crypto secure.